Hi guys, I'm TK from the IEDNlab project, and maybe some of you already saw my first attempt in using the Steadicam Merlin stabilizer together with my Canon EOS 7D. And even if this Steadicam is a very lightweight stabilizer of around about 800 grams, it can be really challenging and really heavy when you balance it, because you still need some time, even if it's done in quite a few minutes. But the more you hold it, the heavier it gets, and it's stressing for your shoulder. So later on you don't have the time and you don't have the power anymore to move the thing around and do your shots. So I thought about a solution to make setting up and balancing a little bit more easy. You have different options to set it up. The first one is hold it in your hands with the camera on the top and try to balance it. As I said, it's getting heavier and heavier. The second option is to put the thing on the table, on the edge of a table, and balancing it without keeping it permanently in your hands. Obviously you don't have a table in your pocket every time you're on the run, and I thought about a solution to make things a little bit more easy. So I thought maybe it would be a good idea to take my Seagull shoulder mount, which looks very cheap indeed, but believe me, it's great. It's made of plastic, but it's rock stable. Usually I use it together with my 7D. I don't know what this plate is made for, but it was part of the package, so I thought it might be a good idea to use it for attaching this Steadicam. I asked a friend of mine who is a mechanic to build some kind of metal cylinder. It's like this one. And this does a really good job for the connection between the Seagull and the Merlin. It looks like this. It's done in 15-20 minutes. And now you can take the Merlin and put it on the Seagull. Works just great. You have your hands free, and you can balance and level the camera without carrying it all the time. And later on I will show you how you can move with this thing. Welcome back. Imagine you're outside and there's nothing but the open range. And you have also nothing to put the Merlin on. So it could be a nice idea to have the Seagull with you, where you can balance your Merlin. The Seagull is a lightweight too. It's very easy to carry. And with my special metal cylinder, it makes it easy to put the Merlin on. Here we go. I love it. I don't need my hands. I can make some rests. and you can rebalance all the time without having stress and without getting loss of power here in your arms. And you can do nice shots with it. It's great. So obviously you don't have a pocket in your table,